I received a package from Kodama from their Kickstarter. As it says, 15 kg. You zoom on now, that quite a heavy package. There we go. Hi and welcome back to another episode of Afro 3D Printer. This little box, I received it from a Kickstarter for the Kodama 3D modular 3D printer. Let's see what's inside the box. Let's see. A cup of tea. Right. Okay. There we go. One aluminium enclosure. That's what it says there. Do it this way. So, one aluminium enclosure. Polymaker filament, laser goggles. Yep, this is quite weighty. There you go. The beast itself. So, let's see what's inside the boxes. I'll leave that one out. I'll leave that one to last. Polymaker filament. Polymaker is interesting. They've done a partnership with Kodama. Polymaker. The previous video you've seen me go over the aluminium filament. Very interesting. Very nice filament. Here, filament, little leaflet inside. And here we are. Poly Plus PLA. So we can see what that's about. Got silica gel inside. Standard reel. Nice way. Actually, the colour is very nice on that. Very nice colour. Yeah, very nice. They call it true grey, and actually this is more like a, I call it a architectural grey. Very nice. So what we'll do, we'll put that there. Put this behind me. Right. Next box here are the laser safety goggles. Let's open that up so everyone can have a look and see. Right, here we go. Laser goggles. Very nice. One aluminium enclosure. So I'll open up the camera. There we go. One aluminium enclosure. Inside the enclosure, some documents. So what we've got here, take these out. And down we go through what documents are here. So here we have our 10% off discount card. Oh, off all Kodama products. That's a unique thing. 10% off all Kodama products for life. So as long as you live, you get 10% off. Very nice. Assembly instructions. Paper. I know the assembly instructions are also online. Put that here like that. This paperwork. List of items I ordered. Quick start guide. And how to use the slicer, how to put the power on, etc. A basic quick start guide. Here we go. The story behind Kodama. So who is Kodama? And it's got a letter here from the Kodama team, from Team Kodama. Signed by the Kodama team. Personally signed, yeah. Yeah, personally signed by the Kodama team. The story behind Kodama. Right, very interesting person he was as well. There you go, right there. Right, back to the laser enclosure. So, what have we got in here? What we have here is laser-proof polycarbonate. Ooh, what's this? Yep, here we go. Laser-proof polycarbonate. This is a door. Old door. Just a door. The components for the case. Old door out. Inside. For the door, polycarbonate. Let's put it on top of it. There we go. That's your door. Your enclosure. Several parts. Door. 2, 3, 4. 6. Actually, let's take a look at it. See. Wow. This is cast aluminium, it looks like. Very nice quality. LCD holder. One LCD holder, plastic. Let's have a look at one of these things here. Again, door side, very well crafted extruded aluminium. Nice clean finish. Solid. And there's several more of those here. I won't bother to take them out. Here. Right, this is the printer. Let's open this up. Let's open this bad boy. Okay, I'll move this to one side. There we go. And let's have this here. Right, look inside of this. Polystyrene. Right, inside the box. One power supply, UK power supply. TRINUS AC adapter. USB cable. Right, okay. Pano in Kodama, it says in here. Control board. Ah, okay. This here, I believe. Yep. One laser. Laser slots into that, I believe. Yep. Laser and laser mount. Power cable. This rubber feet. This whole box sideways to leave the space. Yeah. Kodama build tack. So I'll do extra build tack. So I've got two time I build tax. Right, this is the heated board. That up. One heated hotbed. Bed. Actually, I've got 2 heated beds. Bed mount. Heated bed mount. Yep, there you go. 3 holes in the mount. Dum dum dum. And I believe this probably sits underneath it. So it's underneath it. 1 heated bed. Connecting cables. Cables. 1 wrench. Hot end spanner. Tweezers. 2 tweezers and 2 very elegant Allen keys. Bag of several hundred screws. No, I reckon there's approximately maybe 20 screws and maybe 5 or 6 zip ties in there. One memory card, 8 gigabytes. Some hot ends, various dimensions. Don't know what that is for. This is probably for the touchscreen mount for the enclosure. Yeah. 1 touchscreen mount. There we go. Touchscreen in here. Yep, there's the touchscreen. I believe the touchscreen was from a previous Kickstarter, and Kodama has incorporated this into the TRINUS 3D printer. And let me see, yep, mini SD card slots, so there's the potential to flash it and have your own customized interface for your printer. That's very interesting. That's very interesting. So, in theory, you should be able to edit your interface, design your interface, customize it, do whatever you want to do, and then flash this, have your own custom interface for your TRINUS. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. So that opens up a few possibilities for customization. Leave that out there. What's this now? 1 print head. Wow. This is 1 solid piece of kit, I must say. This is 1 solid piece of kit. This is kind of like, I don't know if you can see, let's see. This is, let's get the light, there we go. This is so solid, this is like, it's not a, this is solid. This is so well manufactured. So well manufactured. This is, let me compare it to this laser. These components are very well manufactured. I must say, I'm really impressed with the build quality of these. The build quality is superb. For such a cheap printer, this is superb workmanship. Superb workmanship. I can't fault this. I can't fault this at all. Superb. Really good build. Really good build quality. Solid. This will last. This will really last. LCD, I believe. Yeah, LCD cover. Okay. Next section of the box. This box is so well packed. This box is so well packed. Yeah. I mean, they've economized on the space and really managed to get everything inside of it. Right. The base. not the base, the base. This thing is heavy. This thing is so heavy. This is a solid bit of kit. This is, I mean, look, this is, I'm gonna do that one more time actually, that's quite, this is quality bit of machining. I mean, this will hold, I mean, we've got a storm coming over, and this will make sure you won't get ripped off the ground in travel. From what I've seen so far, this, the print head, the laser head, all the components, superb build quality, superb. Right, okay, we are down to the motors. So we've got 4 of them here. Weighty, very weighty. Wow, well packed, very good build quality. I mean, this looks like it's one solid piece, virtually one solid piece. Wow. Switch there, lead comes out. Now of course these motors will be slightly slower than a belt drive, but the quality will be hopefully exceptional. There's that one there, 1, 2. So you can see, you know you want to see what you're getting. So what we have here is a very solidly built 3D printer. You know, it's definitely not a Wanhao. This is not a Wanhao. This is a TRINUS. The build quality exceptional, solid, well machined. When I say well machined, I mean really well machined. You know, looking at the quality of the parts, you know, crikey, this is like, you know, for the price, from a Kickstarter, exceptional, exceptional. You know, this is exceptional. I mean, I have to put it together and see how it works, see the quality. I also have to put it together, see how it works, see the quality of the prints. But you know, just looking at, you know, the quality of the parts and what they've done and how they've integrated them all together, it looks like, I don't know, it looks like it's going to be the dog's bollocks. I mean, the only thing I would question is this build plate, but you know, build plates go for PLA, and with the bit of build tack on top, it's build tack there. I think that's going to be very nice. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. I'm actually blown away by the quality of the parts. You know, very good, very, very good. I am very impressed. I must say, I am very impressed. You know. This is a 3D printer from Kickstarter. It looks like they've been well motivated in providing a 3D printer for the people. This is what this looks like. It looks like a 3D printer for the people. They've actually got a 3D printer together. They've improved the manufacturing. They've improved the quality control. They've made improvements to a lot of things. They've taken the advice from the 3D printer and put it together. Let's reflect on that. Yeah, what we have here is a laser. We have an extruder, and it looks like an extremely well built extruder. We have hot plates. We have drives. We have solidly built base plate. We have controller. We have power supply. We have filament. We have laser goggles. We have enclosure. And I don't believe this will take too long. I'm not going to do a live build. Reason being, there's enough videos out there with live builds, etc. So many people have done stop motion and live builds. On the Kodama site, they have examples of people building this machine already. So there's no need to do a live build. What I will do is, when I get back to you, is you're going to see a built printer, and it won't be in the kitchen. It'll be in the room, in the studio, and I'll be doing some comparisons. Now, the comparisons I'll be doing will probably be with the ancient Wanhao versus the Kodama printer, and we'll get back to you. This is Afro 3D printer. If you haven't done yet, please subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. And let me know if you have any comments, or if you think of something. Maybe you want to print something, maybe you have a question, get back to me and I'll be happy to answer it. But that's it for the moment. Season's tidings. Hope you're having a great holiday. This is Afro 3D printer. Hit the subscribe button.